Most second wife wey dey see first wife, they want to remove second wife. They want to remove first wife from picture. They don't want that person to, that woman to be there. Egenede, ana yo boba bun we be first wife. You say first wife you ogbe wa ya lawa na ijina na second women wey dey carry body dey ready dey come. Because the woman has known you long time even before you know the woman.
Hello guys, good evening. Please guys subscribe to Lady T TV blog for more updates. Rita has come to finish the remaining parts. We are just managing from Esther. Rita have come to finish it. She have come to analyze the record that came out and the write-up that came out too. Let's listen, guys. Thanks for watching.
Most second wife wey dey see first wife, they want to remove second wife. They want to remove first wife from picture. They don't want that person to, that woman to be there. Egenede, ana yo boba bun we be first wife. You say first wife you ogbe wa ya lawa na ijina na second women wey dey carry body dey ready dey come. Because the woman has known you long time even before you know the woman. The woman that is coming as a second wife knew you already. So now you did danger for that woman hand. Because she is already aware of who you are. She heard a lot from your husband. She knew you even through picture. Even before you know her picture, she have your picture. Even before you know her name, she know your name. Even before everything, she's the one that knows you first before you know her. So she's the one that have the ability to hide for you. Now she go feel hide. You don't see lay away. And do not know now. Many people say one no lay come at one. Now that they ready they come. Now that they carry mission they come. Now then they say, okay, I know say this woman dey here. If I enter here, that's what I get to do. Second wife from right from time. See, because they know everything about you, they know your totality. Now lie, don't think my husband does not. They know everything. They know how you cook, they know how you eat. That is why if they want to talk to you, it's with heavy confidence. That is why if they are bringing disrespect to you, it's a heavy one. Because they know you long time, even before you know them. The time you thought you know them, that's not when they knew you. They knew you long time before you knew them. The things you not even know, the one your husband has not discussed with you one day. If na man with the talkie, don't discuss it with them. And mind you, my darling people, the reason why some of you are still single, it's not because your husband does not cheat, but it's because your husband has policy. He's not a talkative. And most second wife, they love men that are talkative. The one that will be able to talk about his first wife so that they will know the woman. So if the man not they open up, they know they marry, they go they run. They will say, Ekwe. Do you know that second wife, most of them don't even like the man? We know. That's why you see most men who are polygamous in nature, they are big talkative. They know how to talk. They talk a lot. The reason why they are polygamous, that is why their wife married them. No woman marry. Women not they quit they marry men. We not the talkie. They not they marry, go join woman for house, we not the talkie. No. They will say, I know they go. This man will go join a wife, beat me. He go just off leave your husband. Maybe your husband don't date time for outside for long. Do you not go even know say your husband date? He not go give you the sign say he date. Because he's a policy man, he just want to sleep with woman, yes. He be like the girl, you want keep her, yes. But because he not quit open up, give the girl go don't leave the man. You will say you are now your husband holy pass. Now lie, waiting driver now because he not quit open man. If he just open mouth, begin to talk about you, give that woman. Your character, how you not take good, how you take bad. They lie about you, they give that woman everything about you. You go carry second wife come meet you. Because now waiting second wife, they follow the corner, be that one. Most second wife, they follow this channel, the entire marriage. That's why sometimes when you want to deal with them, when you want to deal with them very, very well, anything when they do as a first wife, you go close your mouth, not let your husband know. Not to say you be good woman. Now so they punish them. Your husband cannot spread the news, he don't know. If he begin to look you like picture, you don't know as you they waka. You know they see news, they give second wife, he give second wife, because you, if your husband is a talker, your second wife gloom on the things he heard from your husband about you. So it's good for anybody who don't know, see, as I'm a first wife, or I get husband where be say he gets another wife. Put two of them for bag, no one lian. Even I yak be on him. A system I yak be on. Our mommy with system. The system where they tell they beat them. Now they talk so. May your husband even they look you as the first wife like picture. You don't know where you carry head go. If you don't know where you carry head go, you don't know how to do your things. Eh? Not be this one where we they see for Facebook. So where you hear say person say they log me out too. Ah wa moka log that. Me oh ka log that. Na me go fail log that. You go to see me, you go to see me. You go to see me, you go to watch TV. You go to see me, you not go know me. So what you don't know, you don't go feel carry and go give second wife. Because most second wife, the news where they hear about first wife, now they take the entire house. That's why you see her and they so zigari. It's so calm and down. But just because they know where they go, or was zigan of the whole lebere, of the me here no me, no ya gbina, oh one of myself planning gbina you talk. And so most second wife be. That is why most of you first wife, when they come, they take you on away. That's why you never, no matter how they pet your life, here you go yararo. La wo go kwe. Eri jwe ha hin. Era hin hin. Wawa game on ya joje. Big lie. I mean we no vije, my darling. Not the. If the man not the where you dey, you will get prick. The where you dey na problem na you dey. For their hands. Yes. So what did they tell the press husband we like to the get first wife, get second one? Who dey? Who die? Just they do your things. A secret in a car key my and say husband. The way woman take the open secret they give man before say, oh, that for me and give my bam man. Or that for me take me be say me and you go gonna I give me only because oh me I like it now you go turn to na ya be on him. A second wife man I got even with here. If you don't know as you dey waka again marriage in here to tie all le one way here moi. All leg be wa whoever all le my darling. I'm telling you the truth. Say you see say, now my husband, I know me. Other for me, don't go now. Other for me, I dey go holiday, maybe and you gotta go. Other for me, come and look this one. Eh? Wow, worry you. I want please my husband. My husband no green, make I please her. I be want use everything. Say please, I don't know what you see as I they do. You see that you do what you they do. Now it be the punishment where you go take suffer to you. But now you attack will take by you. Because there is a person that is gloomy on the information they are getting from you. And that person is using, you know, when a person know that you are doing A, the person will do C. If now 2 rooms, your husband hear from your mouth, say you build. He tell second wife go make sure say put mansion for grand. So that no one. You see, I'm just using this to make example. If now 5,000 euro, now you tell your husband as a first wife, say, I take and make I take support you take. Second wife go give her 30,000 euro. You go to follow you, they do. Before you start seeing the competitions of second wives, they don't they do a long time. It's just that you're not Christian. You understand? They fed they do one for his house. They'll fed they do one sumo. Before they will come finally get bored. When their leg don't reach ground, they are married. They don't marry, they don't pay their bride price. Now that time you will know them. When they never married them, you don't go know. They are wahunya ruruwa. Ahiya my darling, these things where they pursue them now talk so. Information so I they share, you can go that formation. That for me don't want now. Or that for me come and see this one. That for I give me a video. I give me a video we cover. Now so we reach. If you reach where the second wife, they'll be arguing it with couple. Because you don't see news go give her. Husband, with they talk, and second wife, they gloom on your information. Now your information will be first wife, now they draw them together. That is their point of tightness. Their relationship points now you. But you don't know. If he's not hearing anything for your husband, he's very angry. She will not be happy with that your husband. Now that time you go to now that thing, now you go to destroy that their relationship. withholding your information from the channel of information. Because information can be very, very dangerous. They say information is power. When people have information about you, they'll be powerful. When they don't have information about you, they'll be powerless. And the channel of that information, na him be your husband. Na him cause am wey you see say second wife, or your bog bewe was an reading. Why? Because your husband carry you. He's safe for her. Kobo kobo. So, my darling people, if you ask me, polygamy, me we birika. I don't say anything unless I want me do the imagine ya different what will wave off your way. Say the one we person the entire eye like this, see. It's not for the weak. It's not for a person who is not ready to die young. It's not for a person who is saying, I just want to be happy. The day you join polygamy, that is the day your happiness gone for life. If your husband is a cheater, you will still have happiness. Especially when he's giving you opportunity to enjoy with you, flow with you, no problem. But you see, say, when your husband not even be cheater, but you go carry wife, come carry join you. Now that time, now your happiness will finish for life. Wait, baby, go my darling. Go. No happy. No man rich to do polygamy. Some people will say man rich. Like this one with the talk, so it never reach at all. This one never even on a my say ye kaka small wohana hina. I'm talking of wohana be only for age, although say na small boy for age. But for here also, it never reach to say I want marry two wife. It's too small. You understand? Nobody reach to marry two wife. Now the spirit of greediness, the spirit of saying, so we did one for the society we did. Now it cause for most of them. But and the truth, married polygamous men, are they happy? They are one of the most sorrowful people in this life. They are very sorrowful. They are not happy men. If they open up to tell you what they are passing through, if they open up to tell you, some of their wives don't even kiss them in the mouth inside the house. Because, especially when you know say na they since you know they kiss, you go say "Ununu ya la loe," yen kiss. You go say, but you know they there when I did la lord you way now. I don't know. When the measure may kiss, my darling. Oh no. Where? You understand? So they know they do. And pretend na many pass for inside. Pretense. Pretense. If you can't have a man for yourself, without you don't carry back to say, I see they go here, and they go there. My sister, single mother better pass. Single mother must say, I make ya titty you to be ring roady. Single word, single woman, na better pass, because it be one whole. Some people will say, you be single woman, you still go do a care now. My darling, where's your word on here? Even though say woman did they. No. No. Because problem we did. We woman don't know. Say me day here now. I know say that woman did they. I might wake back by my ware do power. You ere would be. Me I know. My way not barry social media. In marriage. This is son. I call it shit. I call it shit. He said, but he kissed her. Say kissing now, kiss her this way. You understand? So that one, now that one, my darling people. Let's go to what about the original person that has been talking about. About is the original person that brought this debt matter. We will take reach here to now. And now only about I see the talk for our side concerning this matter. And some other bloggers like that. Yeah? So, let's go to what Abat posted. We'll go with him Abat post. Nyari life easy now. Before we can go with him second wife post. Even about we be man, oh, ashe na man, na him be. Listen. Most men where they do polygamous men, na illiterate them be. Na illiterate they do polygamy pass. Men not fit pay now. You know, say if I just talk this thing with the verse on people, una not let them verse on. Yes, and this is the truth. We calculate them. We will see and say now then they do polygamy. Now they do and pass. With this my eyes, as I they grow up as small picking, I saw competition. That is why competition not the follow person they do. Or one more but make a more if boy be fear for her. No boy manage no. Polygamous children are very competitive in nature. That is what they learn from their mother's womb, their father's womb. Yes, so mama, I did online, don't cry. You don't know say I don't come out. They learned it from their father womb body, their mother body. Most polygamous children is their father, is either their father was a blatant liar or their mother was a corrosive destroyer. This is their trademark. The ones where sometimes they free for inside these polygamous children. Now, no saba wa jirese, or what the character eke imire, or maybe go conko take him mama and we be first wife. No way until enjoy that thing in peace. You see that character because inside that house, where they for can carry all those children belly, come bond them. They are very destructive children, very corrosive children, very competitive children. In short, everything that is negative that can affect the normal life of a human being, that is what they possess as a character. Now inside that their home, now they follow the con. It did their mama body, it did their papa body. On your see, if me don't already see some kind of character, I know see this person is a polygamous product. You know what is the problem already. Somebody said that is how they buy my mom friend inside polygamy, first wife for that matter. So that is how it is, my darling. And so-called a traditional man, yes, and a lot of men when they say I be traditional man, I be traditional man now be. Go to, you see the time when May walk come out for marriage. A lot of people were dragging her. Why did she leave? This and that. You understand? Even though you're my darling, I'll leave you. Unless you now go your way, I set him no problem. But if you know, say, you have power, no go fit cash on. No listen to what the word will talk. You come on better pass, my darling. Okay, where you want go? But the truth of the matter be say, if you ask me will be Rita. Me personally, you. Or that me now when you hold by me. Ya ze try near you now when you honi onari, eh? Esati me yo ma o. Or one only baby. Ah wa. Even though say na if you know me, setting my darling, you won't leg birawa. Unless you are marriage in Rivaharai. A marriage in Manari Rivaharai, eh? Whether you stay with me for us, no say, as Zen Danny cannot be already me, Wallori Ladian, your atatabo. Never work the police, so I know. But don't be joke at the tell na so. This one, I just the talk and thank God say God don't even put me for that kind of character. Na ya wole koku de second wife ya wolo I rantata boy the yo no rio here for life. What a story in my mono be okay ya wo ya bwe mondi. For inside that thing we want to enter. So that is that one, my darling people. Most of our parents who not see take happy reach old age. Now polygamy is by them. But they don't go tell una the story today. Now we most of una don't old. Una don't young. Una don't old. The time we una young, they don't by. They don't fit tell una corrosive story. Where you're a day for sit down, they tell you at old age now to say, you will not really be one of him. My uncle married 2 wives. I was living with them. If one could give me, the other one could. That's what they just be. If one could give you, you will see say the other one go also want. The competition, I don't like competitive people. This my body now, I dislike them. Everything. Because they are toxic. They are toxic. So, may we read waiting about right. The only person where they talk this matter since. He say, I received information last night that Destiny removed Edward access to her Facebook, her business page, due to Edward's disagreement with Esther, the second wife. This isn't the first time Destiny has taken side with the second wife against the first wife. Many women are wary of allowing another woman into their home or accepting polygamy because of the potential of the second wife to disrupt the household and drive out the first wife. It's clear that Esther is trying to push Edward out of her matrimonial home. Now we talk this one so. Now ma say it's very clear to say she's trying to push. Before she entered there, she don't get that character to say make I push and come out. After 3 children. Right? You understand? This one where we did so. Before she married, she don't get that character to say make her drive a word. She don't enter before she did think, before she decides to drive the first woman. Before she enter, she don't do competition with her. Immediately they pay her bride price and that competition starts. Which she dey follow and they do. And the confidence which she take they insult that woman. It's not by her fault too. Now waiting the man who they sleep with the woman tell her. Now I cause her she they say don't let me open matter. Any small thing go say don't let me open matter. Any small thing go say don't let me open matter. Shall you understand, my darling people? This is what some of your husbands do to you. You genuinely give them your secret. Genuinely talk to them. Genuinely hurt them as a husband. They will go and use your secret to do nyash for another corner. To do another toto, to play love, to drink wine for night with another woman. We go see you finish. And that is why this kind of useless men, they are very easy to talk about. If you marry woman finish, I have vembo. That one way that they do say, do ven you wa, can't do all this one. That's what they do. They are very quick to say, why you do ven you wa? On a do ven, not by do ven winning ye. On I winning ye woman, not by winning ye woman, on I but in your way. Ah, transport use transport na ya way. A bona loan way. A bona loan way did you do what they use for you? In short, you not be the one a natural. That one a natural juju no bo my gegi, a partition, a competition, a disrespect, a let down, a bringing down, everything. Now in be there juju way then they give you swallow, make you sure. You be say your hands they go do one like this. Then he said, Destiny be one. This is the last time you should try to intimidate Edward because of Esther. Remember that Edward is an Esan lady and you are serving under the Esan government, so tread carefully. If you continue to take side with Esther, we will ensure that Esther is banned from performing anywhere in the kingdom. Not only wife, even men give side chick wife info outside the lot. Yes, if not side chick, you know they want to compete with you. Then they give info. Me, I remove side chick because I know say, person if you give your info to side chick, no problem. But not go want to compete with you. That one just all I make beniya la one. If anyone do dead dangerous. If you're not ready to marry your husband, if they're not married, that info is useless. It has no string, it has no hold on you, you know the hold water. But now when that woman go come turn wife, you don't they marry her. Now that time, now in the competition will come start because the woman know you long time before you even know the woman. You see the danger where some men they put their women through. It's dangerous. My men where they outside there is very dangerous. What you do, sometimes some of this second wife also, they go still enter in our life with lies. Now tell them lie, they go enter on the face with it, they don't know. May the spirit of satisfaction they enter some of them. May they enter because you people are doing damages to these women that you don't know. Or you'll be happy to say, I get wife. I'm married to wife. I get to wife. I'm married to wife. What is that? What is that? If Abat, when I say the way Abat wife, they enjoy her husband. The reason why skeleton of son can't even be jealous of me. Now the way I did the flaunt my husband will say, I will flaunt and they do, you know, do all this for all that die. All those things, my darling people. You see the way Abat wife, you know, your that is what women want. The reality that you don't know. You will get 2 wife, 3 wife. I mean, you will fish Chester. If you want praise woman, you go carry this one and you carry and join. Now that time you even spoil the thing for their belly. Hey! Now that time, now you even spoil now. You see, if you want carry money, go still carry a sick and banana come join. Oh, ya mu sick and me yekli eke lama or do mu by me. Ya see, my 2 wives or guy you not reach the leg with that. My 2 where? Anyway, sha. Many people they talk and say, "Inyi money no ya fiukma." E man setting inyi fiukma, enyi mona. E setting ya mon one no eti luogle ya fiukma vweki na dele. You understand? So, na so with that one. Be have back now they talk this one. Carry you that day. You go Greece, go enjoy. You come back now another holiday. Now you go the plan for yourself with your wife. So go carry your wife, go enjoy your wife. Or why I want to have the queen of my IKEA. The queen of Ekia mekba. Oh, he mama, he mau. The queen of Ekia mekba. Ekia ni wina. E roba yagbe vason. The queen of Ekia ba. Ati na ibi. Compared to. Let me tell you what I noticed with Asikba account one time. The first wife can't travel with their husband. We all saw it on this live video. As they travel early morning, he never he may yore do Vasikbaka that time. That is I don't know what they do at that period. They be like best way they carry something. They on am that. The shop on a talo go perfume no you sound complain or talo even wow. Some people when they pass through what they pass through, they will come they put on for other people body for aside. Now that one, now people felt they did know. Even my own husband will be man. Now we gotta watch after that. What it be this okay, probably. Before I come see and say, destiny and a word, this I will take for abroad they travel. Then travel. Nyaruwa. He can be not kind. They might be not. They don't use fake account tell themselves plenty things. So. Destiny, if you did with Esther, if you did sometimes around 11 o'clock, he go ready. This will not be tell me tell you. I hear her. I know what I'm saying now. He go ready say they go ass. Esther is in destiny na lele bina. Esther big destinies and say baba ne ya with marriage. To say, e man na oh wa, we na do ye man you want 1 year to hotel. Where you say I want to follow my friends later, you can't go write message say I know they come again. You can't go write message say I know they come again. Destiny has never been able to stand one day to say okay. Now first wife now 2 wives I get. This week now you get beds. The other week I'll stay your house. Now see me where they live like that, unless the men will marry the 2 wives for inside your house. If you marry them for inside your house, when you go one another. E don't know that for me, my all you who baba me and you good di. Wana, e de agbo me va we ke va o. Abi we for come see. We want go see for igbe place abi I don't understand. You understand my darling people? So he go say why you want comment? May you go another house. E mana o we go jin you na be destiny na value mo your na zanzan we na gbe na yin vala o vale yeke. Ona le no we first wife igbu we do. Ogwena. You ain't listen, you ain't got buena zanzan we kan. She not there down even for party of recent. She even talking for party so we are not my neck be no ma setting why na in be. If first wife mu be your o wa gbe yin to be yin agbe. He talking for one video of recent. It's just that a fire disgrace in my he never entered their body now. I don't get the time. I was busy in school. I don't get time to analyze. You understand? Even if you Greek it here, monopano. Ukmonga useless igbene. Aya him. Now they can't turn that boy to with the call husband. Monopano. Ukmona muya tattoo in ayami. This is what men who talks too much will get 2 wives. Now the kind of things and the waiting that they face for life. Now be this. He used the man talking for live video. He say, this thing, don't try it at home. He say, Kurita Beno, the is rather competitive. Thank you, my darling, you know. He say, this thing is dangerous. Not try it at home. So let's go to the comments. The first wife. My darling people, when I post that thing today to say first wife, now she do that comment. Some people thought I was joking. I wasn't joking. Not at all. I know the joke. The IP address was traced. That commenter lives in Nopa.